All right, we're about to make some hamburgers here on the Blackstone grill. Kind of 8 for $10 specials at Kroger. Used to be 10 for $10 at Kroger, but they decided they wanted to be a little bit greedy with them and decided they didn't want to give us as many as we used to get. Charge you the same price for less. So we're just going to go with what we have. All right, we're about to make us some hamburgers here on the Blackstone grill. Looks like we're at about 400, 415, 452. In certain areas 416, 436. So the grill is ready. We are going to go ahead and put these burgers on the grill. And I'm also going to cook a few sausages as well. So let's go ahead and place these down on the grill. We're going to lay our last two burgers down in close proximity. It's not going to be as hot because I only turned the two middle burners on, but we will take these two hamburgers here on the outside that I just placed. Once these cook and sear really good, we'll move those to the inside. Go ahead and season these with some of the Burger Royale seasoning. We can be liberal with it. Kids really like this seasoning. Got a few Conecuh sausages here in this bag that I am going to throw on the grill and let them start to cook, and I'll just kind of place them out here around the hamburgers. And we will place them kind of just like that. That's a good arrangement. And we're just going to let these burgers sear and cook for just a minute. And you know, I think I'm going to take those sausages, maybe place them right in here where there's a lot of heat already in the middle of the grill. I don't have a lot of heat on that outside yet because I just turned the burners on. We're going to stick those right in between. Let's give these a flip. I'm going to kind of flip them out so that I have room for the sausages to cook in the middle. Sprinkle the seasoning on the other side. I get a little seasoning on my Conecuh sausages as well. Give them a little bit of a roll. Roll these over and let these cook on the other side. And they're looking really good right now. I'll keep those hamburgers on the outside. And we're going to let these sizzle and cook a little bit. They are looking really good. Get that off my spatula. Give these another flip. I'm going to turn these outside burners off. Keep the two burners in the middle on high so the sausages will continue to cook. Okay, we're going to flip these to the cool side and move them over to a cooler zone. Give these a flip. Leave that one till it cools down. And let these continue to cook here in the middle. And take our container here. Start taking our hamburgers off the grill. These generally will last the kids about 2 days. Because they want a hamburger every day for lunch after I cook them. Sausages are still looking very good. Give them a roll on the grill. You want all sides on these sausages to cook very well. Get a good cook all the way on the inside. Get them over in some of this leftover grease and roll them on in. Bring them back to the middle. Very good hot zone right here in the front of the grill too. So we just want to roll those around. Get a nice even cook on them. Alright, we're going to take these off. Looking pretty good. Get these on in the house. And we are done.